ठीक है?
हाँ
what is
एकदम मैं
that?
ऐसा
अबे
पलट
अभी आ ही
वाड़
रहा
के
है ना।
बैठा हूँ एकदम ओम मुद्रा में। तथा
Three.
नित्यानंद भाई स्वामी
चल 3, 2, 1
बोलो।
go. ठीक है? Ready?
आहा इरशाद।
What is up? We are back again on another session of therapy session. Last episode we saw, or rather you saw, how the three of us came. Me, Jaideep and Pratyush. Guys, say hello. I'm not saying it again.
Hi.
Say what? Hi, Pratyush. And now, this episode, we brought in two new guests, a friend of ours, but people who would like to meet, I'm pretty sure. Harsh and Manav. Please, guys, say hello to the audience.
हेलो।
So, as usual, per the rule, a drink in hand can be anything.
No drink, dry state.
You do. By the way, for people who don't know, Manav is not in Gujarat. He's in Florida right now, if I'm not mistaken, right?
Yes, I'm in Florida.
Florida is not a dry state, buddy, as far as I've known it.
It is raining, so we cannot drink right now. And no drinks available. Walmart is closed, not supplying. Supplier got banned. What can I say, man? I'm going through a lot these days.
So Manav is struggling with the lockdown. Harsh, how are you coping up with the lockdown? How are you doing it? You're back home, right?
Yeah, I'm back home. I'm actually, the very two things that I'm doing is that I'm sleeping and I'm eating, and I'm sleeping again and I'm eating again.
I mean, so
Very
basically
good.
doing what?
There are other things in between, but that cannot be disclosed.
Yeah, I was told not to disclose everything that I do during the lockdown. So I guess I'm not supposed to say them.
Well, family friendly show, guys. Family friendly show.
Yeah.
True. Yeah. So
we cannot talk about certain subscriptions that are.
The point is, like, I thought it'd be good to talk to you guys because you guys have done a lot in being my seniors, in the sense like you've seen a lot. You've been into IITs, a group which not a lot of people can disclose actually being part of. So before we go to that, let's just start with our hostel life. Where we are actually all of us met. Remember Negi Uncle's mess?
Yes, I do.
Definitely.
I guess Pratyush would be the best one to talk about it.
Yes.
But since you guys are the guests, I'll leave it up to you.
I guess I would like to ask Pratyush that. I'd like to talk how I and Pratyush first met. I guess you would very clearly remember. And this is the Pratyush Valecha that is there in front of your screen is someone who is not that I have met 5 years ago, I guess. 5 years?
Yeah.
Five
A lot of
years
people
ago.
screen have changed.
Right?
Yeah, a lot of people have changed, including Jaideep.
Yeah. Jaideep is a different
Jaideep
character
basically
right
changed
now.
a lot.
Yeah. Uska abhi.
Yeah, Pratyush
That's a whole
have
new
improved
chapter.
and JD have changed.
Yeah. Cooperator tha leka.
Anyway, so coming back to Negi Uncle's mess, do you remember 15 rupees aloo paratha?
Yes, I guess I have had 1500 aloo parathas. As far as I remember, I had 1500 aloo parathas, some 300-400 meetha parathas with chini. What's it, Pratyush? I guess you have had more than that.
Yeah,
And Maggie.
and around
Maggie.
Some 3-4
Around
Manov's
4,000
favorite was
cold drink,
Maggie, I
Mountain Dew,
still
basically.
remember.
Yeah. Maggie
Every
with
time-
jeera ka tadka. Ultimate Maggie.
Yes.
The only
every
guy
time
I've
Manav-
seen who puts jeera in Maggie is Negi Uncle.
Harsh was become really fat. He became really fat after eating Negi Uncle's mess. Then he went to Chennai for a year, came back skinny, real skinny. I was like, dude, what happened to you there?
खिलाता ही नहीं है यार चेन्नई वाले उसका मेरे को खाना पड़ा था बचा कुछ उसमें मैं मोटा हो गया
Actually, thing is कि मेस में इतना प्यारा खाना मिलता था ना वहाँ पे, तो
हाँ।
फिर मुझे इतना ज्यादा पसंद था और मानो को तो इतना ही ज्यादा पसंद था कि वो गेट को
अरे।
कूद के उबर की डिलीवरी करवाता था, क्योंकि
अच्छा।
अंदर कैंपस में अलाउड नहीं था। तो
हाँ।
कैंपस में यू कैन नॉट ब्रिंग, मतलब कोई ऐसा डिलीवरी करने आ नहीं सकता, ना उबर ना स्विगी, कोई नहीं आ सकता। तो हमारा जो हॉस्टल था इट वाज जस्ट क्लोज टू द गेट, तो भाई साहब गेट के बाहर मंगवाते थे और फिर चढ़ के डिलीवरी लेता था।
पर
So this is IIT
इसमें
Madras,
मेरी
right?
मेरी
this was in IIT Madras.
IIT मद्रास उसमें दिक्कत मेरे को ये नहीं पड़ती थी कि मुझे गेट कूदने का है, उसमें मुझे दिक्कत ये पड़ती थी कि whenever I have to explain the address, delivery address to any delivery guy, I have to give my phone to the watchman, like the person is guarding the gate, और वो उसकी लैंग्वेज में समझाता था और तभी वो मानता था, ना हिंदी ना इंग्लिश, और उन दोनों में से कुछ भी बोलो, आई एम नॉट कमिंग फॉर डिलीवरी, इतना जवाब मिलता था हमको। तो कभी भी पूछे तो मुझे वॉचमैन के साथ दोस्ती रखनी पड़ती थी, तो वो
मतलब
डिलीवरी
मैंने
एड्रेस समझाता।
ऐसा कुछ ऐसा ऑर्डर नहीं किया था।
हर्ष
ठीक
का
है,
एक
कमिंग
अलग स्ट्रीक
कमिंग
चल रहा था।
या तो मैं वहाँ
हम्म,
एक्चुअली डाइट पे ही था, तो आई गेस मुझे इतना बाहर से
हम्म,
खाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी।
We could see that, dude. Like you came back so thin. Like you remember, a professor asked, "Dude, are you okay?" Like I don't want to take you.
Yes,
हाँ
I was asked if I was okay. I was not suffering from any disease or something. I was like,
Yeah.
"Oh,
तो
everything's all
और
right."
हमारा ऐसा टोटल बैलेंस करने के लिए फिर मुझे थोड़ा बढ़ाना पड़ा।
Yeah. So
दैट्स ओके,
True.
एनीथिंग फॉर अ फ्रेंड, सो
any- of
कैनॉट से
course,
नो।
that is Manav's motto. Like anything for a friend. If my friend
एनीथिंग
becomes
फॉर,
thin, I'll become fatter for him to
ओह
balance it
या
out.
ओके, हाँ हाँ
Let's drink to that. Let's drink to that. Yes,
हाँ,
good one.
या
Cheers.
चीयर्स चीयर्स चीयर्स। बट
If you
एक बात
remember
ये
in
भी है
second
कि
year, yeah, go on, go on.
प्रणय को लाइक फर्स्ट ईयर में सिर्फ फिजिकल चेंजेस नहीं थे, सेकंड ईयर में आते वो खुल भी बहुत गया। अचानक स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी स्टार्ट हो गई, लोगों को रोस्ट करने लगा, और फिर तो उसकी कहानियां कहाँ गई वो तो अलग ही किस्से है।
एक साल तो लोगों को एक्चुअली लगता ही है खुलने में। योर फर्स्ट 6
खुलने
months
में
is when
वो
you
तो है।
open up in the college, और फिर you
हाँ
make, I guess, friends.
બસ પહેલો દિવસ મને એ જ યાદ છે કે તું આગળ બેઠો તો હું પાછળ આવીને પૂછ્યું તું કયા મીડિયમમાં, પછી કીધું કે હું ઉદયપુર થી છું કે ભરૂચ.
अच्छा ना, I remember how did we get together? I remember. याद आ गया मुझे.
પછી આપણે પહેલી વાર સરખી રીતે ક્યારે મળ્યા? પહેલી વાર આપણે પેલી ટ્રીપ કરી હતી ને ફર્સ્ટ સેમેસ્ટર પછી વોટર પાર્ક.
હું તને કહું ને, આપણે પહેલી વાર ક્યારે મસ્ત બેસીને બધા વાતો કરી હતી. હવે છે ને, હું તીર્થક અને માન્ય, જ્યાં સુધી મને યાદ છે, અમે લોકો પાછળની બેન્ચ પર બેઠા હતા.
Hush. Hold on a second. Before you go there, how did you and Manav meet though? So Manav and
अरे
how did
हमारे
you?
कहानी
Because you
बहुत,
two have been pretty close friends from the beginning, right?
हमारी एकदम अलग लेवल इंटरेस्टिंग कहानी है। मतलब ऐसा कुछ था
Let
नहीं।
Mano talk about it. Yeah.
हाँ,
Go ahead,
मैं
Mano.
स्टार्टिंग से ही, जो हमारा 9 लोगों का ग्रुप है, 3 बॉयज एंड 6 गर्ल्स, तो मैं स्टार्टिंग से उन लोग के साथ था। लेकिन इनिशियली आई वाज विद कार्तिक चंदवोलू, like he was one of the students at that time who left then eventually. Let's not talk about it. And then Nimit was also with us, but initially Harsh had a huge group in the class, like around 60% of the class students were in Harsh's group. So when Tirthak's first birthday was there, the whole group bunked the class, but eventually due to some bubbles, हर्ष भाई हमारे ग्रुप में आ गए। और मेरी और हर्ष की मेजर फ्रेंडशिप पूरी टी नैनो करके हमने कॉन्फ्रेंस रखी थी उसमें, जहाँ हम लोग विशाला में गए थे, along with one of our seniors Vishal और Raj. Yeah, at that time we had a lot. Yeah, Raj, but we had a great time.
Because the thing which I notice about you two is you two are good friends even now, but you've done a lot of things together as well. That has had to be a friendship.
Yeah.
Has it not? Like you've gone to
Yeah,
IIT
true. I guess
Madras as well together.
everything that is being done in the college, I guess we were always together.
Always
I guess.
together. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let it be the Nasik trip or
Yeah.
all the
We were there
events in
with
the
MIT.
college.
True.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So and
there's
even all the trips, like college trips or even the trips from our group, we were always together.
So coming back to the JD's
Yeah,
thing,
JD's thing.
I remember कि हम लोग actually बहुत close कब हुए थे कि बात कब चालू करने की थी। तो let me agree on this platform कि मेरे दिमाग में बहुत खुराफाती ideas आते हैं। My brain functions in a very different way. ठीक है, कभी-कभी तो बहुत ही unimaginable ideas आते हैं। तो which I guess both of you will agree, Manav and Jaideep. तो फिर the thing is कि हम लोग I guess मैं, तीर्थक और मानव, हम लोग लास्ट बेंच पे बैठे थे, ऐसे ही मस्ती कर रहे थे। तो हम लोगों ने सबको बुलाया, तो हम लोग सबसे पूछ रहे थे कि लोग लेट्स नॉट गो देयर वरना फिर बहुत ज्यादा हो जाएगा। कट दिस, मैं खाली याद दिला रहा हूँ कि सबको बुला के पूछ रहे थे कि याद है जेडी?
याद છે
બસ ત્યારે એ પછી આપણે ત્યાં ગયા હતા મહેસાણા એ પછી મહેસાણા ગયા હતા। એટલે પહેલી વાર બધા ભેગા તો ત્યારે જ થયા હતા અહીંયા જ, જ્યારે બધાને પાછા બોલાવીને પૂછ્યું ને કે
બેઠક ગોઠવાઈ હતી।
હા બસ ત્યારે।
पर जयदीप के साथ एक्चुअल में हम लोग मतलब प्रॉपर जयदीप का चेंज तो देखा वो हमारी मनाली की ट्रिप थी, वहीं से था आई गेस. दैट वाज द एक्चुअल
True.
पॉइंट ऑफ बॉन्डिंग. हाँ, वो ट्रिप के
Because
बाद
like
अलग ही लेवल पे बॉन्डिंग हुआ हम लोगों का.
speaking of
Yes, true.
things which you cannot change,
So,
you've done this course of doing an integrated masters in life
Hmm.
sciences. That's something you
Hmm.
cannot change now. But how has that put you in place right now up to where you are right now in your situations in life?
let's start with Harsh. He's working, so he'll be a
Yeah,
better
Harsh
one to
is
tell.
working by the way. Yes, he is.
Yeah.
Yeah, something that cannot be changed, I guess. I don't want it to change because it has been an amazing journey for me for this 5 years. Uh,
He's out of words, bro.
He's out of words.
yeah, I'm out
Yeah.
of words. So I don't remember which specific incident to talk about. क्योंकि बहुत सारे हैं यार. 5 साल में it has been an amazing journey since the very first year till this dissertation 1 year. So technically, we have been in the campus. I mean, around the campus for a year. I mean, 4 years, I guess. 4 साल हम लोग कैंपस में थे, 1 साल हम लोग बाहर डेजर्टेशन के लिए गए थे, वो भी झगड़ा करके कि हमको जाना है क्योंकि हमें एक्सपोजर चाहिए था, क्योंकि दैट इज वेरी नेसेसरी इन लाइफ. व्हाट डू यू से मैन?
That's one of the things कि अगर है तो अच्छा है, नहीं है तो कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, पर दिखाने के लिए बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा है.
एक्चुअली हाँ, दिखाने के लिए बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा है, पर हैविंग सेड दैट कि एक्सपोजर दिखाने मतलब नहीं होता तो भी चलता. आई डोंट एग्री, क्योंकि अगर एक्चुअली हमको ये अपॉर्चुनिटीज नहीं मिलती जो हमें मिली है एक्चुअली, क्योंकि वी हैव बीन अ पार्ट ऑफ वेरियस रिसर्च ग्रुप्स, आई गेस, फ्रॉम being at Lucknow, the IITR one. So that was a completely different institution. So it functioned in a very different way. So this, so once you step out of your own college or your own, I mean, let's say comfort zone, so things are very different. So things do not work according to you. तो कॉलेज में क्या होता है कि यू आर इन योर ओन बबल के ठीक है चलो कि कुछ भी हो जाएगा, फैकल्टी तो संभाल लेंगी, क्या ही हो सकता है इससे ज्यादा. तो कि मतलब चलो कुछ भी कर देते हो कि घूम फिर के जाना तो कॉलेज में ही है ना, पर बाहर ऐसा नहीं होता. तुम once you go out and if you mess something up, so next day you are answerable for that कि भाई ऐसा क्यों किया, और कोई ऐसा बोलते नहीं कि हाँ चल ठीक है कर दिया अगली बार मत करना, ऐसा कोई नहीं बोलता. So that is one thing that you learn. So you actually start taking responsibilities for your actions. Too heavy?
थोड़ा बहुत, पर
that was actually a very mature answer, dude. Come on.
one thing that I want to point out that I guess Harsh and I guess every one of you will agree कि हम लोग फर्स्ट बैच थे तो हमको फैकल्टी की साइड से थोड़ा प्रिविलेज ज्यादा था.
True,
और और वो प्रिविलेज जब चला जाता है और तुमको सेम एफिशिएंसी से उसके बाद फंक्शन करना होता है तो वो थोड़ा टफ हो जाता है, क्योंकि तुम हर एक स्टेप पे तुमको डाउट्स आने लगते हैं कि एम आई डूइंग दिस करेक्टली, इसके बाद इसके रिपरकशंस क्या हो सकते हैं. तो IITR वो स्टिल ओके, क्योंकि वहाँ पे वी न्यू कि धवन सर है, और हम मतलब किसी भी फैकल्टी से बात करके कहते थे कि वी आर धवन सर स्टूडेंट, तो वी वर गिवन सम स्पेशल ट्रीटमेंट. जब हम IIT मद्रास गए, वहाँ first of all Pradeep sir is like very much into research, so he's not that much into academics, not into administration and management. तो research में उनको एक चीज रहता है कि funds are a bit constrained, at least in India. तो वहाँ अगर आपसे reagent ज्यादा यूज हो गया या कुछ ऐसा हो गया, या तुम कोई ऐसा चीज कर रहे हो कि जिससे लैब को लार्जर स्केल में अफेक्ट करता है, तो उसका implications थोड़े weird रहते हैं. प्लस एक डर तुमको रहता है कि you are representing your institute as a first batch.
True.
हाँ. So on the first day when we received, Harsh and I received our acceptance, Ajay sir said one thing कि कुछ भी हो जाए, चाहे वो तुमसे वॉश बेसिन भी धुलवाए, ये उन्होंने क्लियरली कहा था, तुम वापस मत आना, आधा काम छोड़ के वापस मत आना, क्योंकि बिकॉज ऑफ सम पास्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस उनके साथ जो रिलेशन थे वो बहुत डेलिकेट हो गए थे, मतलब कि एक गड़बड़ और आगे से किसी को उधर जाने नहीं मिलेगा. तो उन्होंने कहा था कि यू आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग देम, यू आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग अहमदाबाद यूनिवर्सिटी टू हिम, सो इफ यू mess this up, the rest of the batches will not be able to get a chance to go there and
No,
और
that
उनका
Yeah, and
research
and I would like to say कि I guess अब जहाँ तक मुझे पता है कि अगर कोई भी स्टूडेंट को अब जाना होगा अहमदाबाद यूनिवर्सिटी, तो I and Mano both can assure कि I don't think कि कोई प्रॉब्लम होगा,
it's
कि
like, yeah,
इतने
that is the
ज्यादा
point I
मेसअप
was
तो
coming
नहीं
to.
किए हम लोगों ने
हाँ
कि it was a very very good time, and I guess
very
we
good time, yeah.
have got something fruitful out of
Hmm.
it. We have
And
added
we both
something,
worked
some
a lot
skills to
there.
ourselves.
Hmm.
Yeah, so we had added, I mean, many skills to our skill set as well, and we have
Hmm.
contributed to lab as well, because 1 year is a very, I mean, a huge time. I mean, you
Hmm.
work there for a year and you become
It's
a
a huge
part
time.
of the lab. So we were,
Yeah.
I mean, we were never treated that we were interns or something. We were always part of the group. So we
Hmm.
were always included in the loop. We always
Hmm.
knew what was going on in the lab. So
Hmm.
be it anything, be it
Hmm.
any lecture
Not just
series, be
about
it
our
any
project, even
celebration.
we knew कि
True.
lab में generally क्या हो रहा है. Like when we were there during our tenure, Pradeep sir inaugurated a new lab in a new department, so we were invited, and we were
True.
like the part of the group.
So I know a lot of pressure was on you when you went there, like you guys rightly said. So
Yeah.
do you think that hindered how you felt during IIT when you were going through the process of being there?
See,
I think the
I guess I
first,
would,
yeah,
yeah.
you first.
We were there for a year, as I said. So first
Huh.
2 to 3 months were very difficult. I
Yes.
guess I and Manu would both agree. We were both coping up.
Yeah.
I mean, firstly, it was a whole lot different region that we shifted from Gujarat to Tamil Nadu. So there was this culture gap and
I
everything.
know.
So
I
Yes.
know,
yeah,
dude.
true.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
know,
You
right?
are the expert
So
in that part.
Yeah.
Yeah.
so you can exactly feel how we felt there.
Hmm.
So the food was different, people were different, the understanding was different. I mean, the way we
Yes.
behaved here, and you cannot behave the same way,
Hmm.
because the
Exactly.
people there are used to speaking softly, and I guess I and Mano, we do not fall
We
into
lack
that
that skill
category.
by a long
Yeah,
shot. We lack
I
that
guess
skill by a long shot. Yeah. So at least
yeah,
I
true.
lack that skill by a long shot. So yeah.
Yeah, I would like to add this incident that happened. I guess we were going. I guess Mano was not there. I was traveling. I mean, we were. So there are 4 gates in IIT Madras. So during I mean, till 11 p.m. you are allowed to go outside the campus to get some essentials and everything. So once we are out, I was with 3 other North Indians. So we were sitting there and we were talking. So as usual, people were from Delhi and Indore, and so we were talking a bit loudly and all. So as usual, the tone was so high, and we were talking. We did not see who there are. I mean, near us. So we were talking loudly, and then one localite, I don't know, a lady around 40ish, she came and she started shouting on us, and she was like, "You North Indians are so uncultured. You do not know how to behave." And I was like, "Okay, what is happening?" So this is very funny. And the best thing about traveling in Madras is when you travel in the cities, and usually the auto rickshaw walas in the Chennai, they only know Tamil. So either
Yeah.
it's Tamil and there's no other language, I guess. So they hardly understand Hindi. And this is this very funny incident. So if you can bargain with the auto rickshaw walas, we used to bargain a lot. So he's like, you should give 70 rupees. So you do not know how to counterattack. I mean, how to counter them. So if there's a guy with us who knows how 70 is pronounced in Tamil, so he would tell us he's asking for 70 rupees, and we were like, no, 60, 50, 40. So this is how we
Yeah.
used to bargain. So
Sign language was
so
the
there,
main
yeah,
thing
there
for
were many
communication.
funny stories that happened in Madras, I guess.
Yeah.
I mean, that's
So
honestly, yeah, please go on.
so for me, like one of the main things was when we went for a short walk or trip to the old city where there is a huge market, and then we had dinner. So
Yeah.
there, if we are going there to buy anything which is available only in Madras itself, so there asking for the right thing is also tough. Like if I want something, I can ask only if it is in the display, because every time I have to point it out. So like you don't know what to say to that person that I want this particular thing. He won't understand. So the main thing for communication was only sign language.
Yeah,
Inside
true.
the campus, it
If you're
was not an
lucky,
issue.
if you're lucky,
Yeah.
you will have that thing in the display. Otherwise, you cannot
Yes,
ask him to search
you
that
can
thing.
ask it. Yeah,
You always do.
he
I just
won't.
want that thing. Can you
Yes.
give it to me? How much? 70,
Somewhere.
60.
Yes. Yeah, you don't
This is
speak.
how
You
it
don't
was.
speak
It
at
was
all.
very
Like
funny.
that's
It was
no
very
point.
funny.
Yeah.
એક મિનિટ તમારે આ પ્રદીપસરનો ઇન્ટ્રો આપવો જોઈએ કોઈને ખબર નથી પ્રદીપ
Arts will give
આપી દે
proper
માન્યા.
formal introduction.
Manav will give
Okay,
proper
so
introduction.
Professor T. Pradeep was initially one of the affiliated professors in our university. He was a distinguished professor, I guess, when Professor Alok Dhawan was the director at our institute. And later, because our faculty had nice tie-ups with him, so there were a lot of student exchange opportunities created between his lab and ours lab. And so he has received many prestigious awards in this country. One of them being Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar, which is the highest award for any researcher in this country. And recently, he has received Padma Shri Award. So he is a very renowned scientist in this country, and he is working in IIT Madras for like 20 years. 20 years, I guess.
Yeah,
No, he is working in IIT Madras since I guess past 26 to 28 years.
Yeah, 28
And
years. Yeah.
one thing that I guess the water level in Chennai, which is diminishing. So I guess we were a part of that group, and I mean, got to interact closely with that group. So one of my friend also works. I mean, he owns a company with Professor Pradeep. So what he does is he has manufactured. I mean, he has made atmospheric water generator. So what he does is he generates water out of air. So in the regions where there is humidity, so he captures humidity, it condenses it, and you get water just out of air.
Fresh.
"2,000 years later."
Instances that we enjoyed at IIT. So being in an IIT culture is a totally different thing. You have fests, you have some or the other thing going on. So you get yourself engaged in various activities.
And you can say that the campus never sleeps. Like even if you take a walk in the campus at 3 a.m., people are still walking, people are playing guitar, people are skateboarding. And IIT Fest, one of the greatest fests, college fest we have seen. Like it's huge.
That's the reason why we want to bring you on for therapy session in this session, because like you can give insight into something which nobody else has, like being in IITs, and especially a cultural shift. I can say that from personal experience as well. Like being from Chennai, born and brought up from one place to another, which is like completely different part of India. It's people are different, the language is different. The communication is so haywire. It's like, am I really in that place? Am I even existing in that place? You start to feel that way all of a sudden. But having a friend obviously always helps. So I guess
I'd like to add this saying. I guess Jaideep would agree to me. Wherever you go, there's this Gujarati saying ke bhoot mein pipra to madi jayega. That is where I guess wherever you go, you'll find people like you. There are people like you. You just need to break the ice, and then that's it.
અને માનવ તારા વિશે તો કે અહીંયાથી તું ફ્લોરિડા ગયો તો શું ચેન્જીસ આયા તારા જીવનમાં કે આયા કે નહીં આયા શું થયું
so you have to
કેવું છે તારી લાઈફ
one second, it's a humid here. So Florida is like weather wise it is amazing, and of course it has a lot of great places to visit. Most of them I have visited, and some places I left, like Miami. I'm planning not to visit alone, but with some of my friends. I don't want to go alone there. So yeah, I need some other chick magnet along with me. Most probably is coming next year here, the Casanova, Nimit Shah himself, but yeah, whatever.
Yeah.
So
He is the OG.
yeah,
OG
chick
Casanova.
magnet.
Yeah, OG chick magnet of, I guess, Ahmedabad and
yeah.
DBLS. I would agree.
He is
Agreed,
Mr.
done.
Dan. He is the Mr. Dan
Yeah,
of
it's
our
a
institute.
yeah. He is Mr. Dan Bilzerian of
Yeah, yeah,
DBLS. I
yeah,
would agree.
yeah, of ABLS. One thing which I felt which is very different here than educational point of view is that you get a lot of freedom choosing your subjects and what field you want to go, how much you want to spread out in your curriculum. And that's a different thing. I don't want to talk much about education. That's everyone will
Yeah, don't
experience
like,
one day.
we're just asking
But
this because
yeah,
it's a cultural shift.
traveling
Right?
traveling is amazing here. I went to 4 different places. I went in December. I went to Chicago. It was my first
Oh,
31st where I was in the city and it was snowing and the city was amazing. There were fireworks and everything. And then I went to Universal Studios Orlando. And just before COVID-19 break, I was in Universal, so we were scared AF that we might be the victims of COVID-19. But luckily, nothing happened. I stay with 3 other roommates, and they are all from India. So we have a lot of fun.
so if you want to listen to those stories, you can. And if you want to watch to another episode of us, or if you want to be on another episode of us, you can contact us as well. So that's the end for another session. Hope to see you this weekend. Yeah, this weekend we have an episode coming out, right? Yeah, this Sunday we have an episode coming out with an expert interview.
Cheers.
Stay tuned.
जिसको भी आना है तो पैसे मांगना ऐसे फूकट में मत आना हम लोग तो वेले आ गए लोग मत करना ऐसे
चलो
चलो बाय गाइस
Yeah.
Bye.